Hello, my name is Camilla Hofstetter, and today I will be talking about the rabies vaccine and how it protects you and your pets. Rabies is a fatal but preventable virus that is spread to humans through saliva of infected animals. As you can see on this figure, the virus enters the tissue and begins to duplicate. The virus then travels to our central nervous system through the peripheral nervous system to eventually reach the brain. This path explains why we see the symptoms such as weakness and fever initially, and later as the virus spreads to the brain, delirium, hallucinations, and abnormal behavior. We even see the typical foaming of the mouth as the virus enters the salivary glands. One great way to prevent rabies is to know what to look out for. Here I show you typical animals that can be infected with rabies. Coyotes, bats, skunks, and raccoons typically carry this disease and can give it to you or your animal unexpectedly. If bitten, wash the wound thoroughly with water and soap, and then apply antiseptic or alcohol without covering the wound. It is important that you then seek immediate medical attention to get treatment of the vaccine so that your body can fight off the virus before spreading throughout the body. There have been many cases of rabies where people are unaware that they were bitten. This is one reason why getting the precautionary rabies vaccine for both you and your animal is important. The pre-exposure vaccine typically is given in one of two forms, the human diploid cell vaccine or the purified chick embryo vaccine. Both vaccines contain inactive rabies virus, which allows for your body to develop active immunity against the rabies antigen. This happens through the development of antibodies and increased production of cytotoxic T cells. It is important to note that this vaccine has to be given in 3 rounds to ensure its success. It is also possible to experience some side effects such as soreness or headache. As mentioned before, if you contract rabies, it is important to seek immediate medical attention to receive the vaccine. If you were unvaccinated before getting rabies, you also receive 1 dosage of rabies immunoglobulin. The human rabies immunoglobulin is given from a human donor and contains high levels of anti-rabies antibodies to help you fight off the antigen. This is done alongside the vaccine so that the body can immediately start to fight off the rabies. The post-exposure vaccine differs from the pre-exposure vaccine by administering 4 dosages instead of 3. I hope you see the importance of getting this vaccine if you are at a higher chance of exposure to rabies. It is recommended that those working with animals get the rabies vaccine every year to ensure their safety.